In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and work with a ClickUp Super Agent. By the end, you'll have a reliable AI helper that understands your team's work, speaks in your voice, and delivers consistent on-brand output right inside ClickUp. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and head into the workspace where you want the agent to live. If you use multiple workspaces, take a second to confirm you're in the correct one so your agent is created in the right place. Having your tasks, docs, and spaces organized will help the agent perform better because it has clearer context to work with. Next, click on AI. You'll find the AI area in the main navigation. This is your home base for building and managing agents. If you don't immediately see the AI option, your plan or permissions may not include it yet. So check with your workspace admin to enable ClickUp AI. Now, select Create Agent. Think of an agent as a dedicated persona trained to operate inside your workspace. It can draft updates, summarize tasks and docs, and answer process questions while following rules you define. As you open the builder, mentally align on the agent's job title and scope. A short, descriptive name like Marketing Stand-Up Assistant or Client Handoff Coach makes it easy for teammates to recognize and use it. Finally, type your prompt for the agent you need. This is the brain of your super agent. Start by defining its role and primary goal, then set tone and formatting expectations, and include any must-follow rules. Add the context it should rely on, such as referencing task statuses, assignees, dates, and your team's naming conventions. If there are things it should avoid, like making up data or changing due dates, say that explicitly. Here's a strong example you can adapt. You are a ClickUp Super Agent for the team. Your goal is to transform task comments and docs into clear, action-oriented outputs. Use concise, positive language. When summarizing, produce a 3-part output. What changed, why it matters, and next steps with owners and due dates if provided. When details are missing, ask up to 2 clarifying questions instead of guessing. Never invent metrics or dates. Follow these conventions. Reference tasks by their titles, keep bullet points short, and use American English. If content is over 1,000 words, include a 1-sentence executive summary first. Keep your prompt tight but thorough. You can refine it over time. Small tweaks make a big difference. From here, whenever you open ClickUp's AI, your super agent will be ready to help draft descriptions, summarize long threads, and turn notes into checklists, all while following the rules you set.